So welcome again. This is the third video, sketching to create pockets. Okay. So in this video, first you have to sketch an arc using 3 points. Using 3 points, you have to create an arc. Then after that, you have to apply a tangent constraint to that arc. That is the second step. And the third step is create a circular pattern of that arcs. Then finally, you have to convert the arcs in the pattern into 3D geometry. That is the included in this video. So I will open this. So this is my previous part. So I will go to create sketch, select this, and then I will project these two. Okay, then I will select arc. Here you can see the first option, 3-point arc. So this is my first point, and this is my second point, and this is, say, third point. Okay. Then I will go to constraints tab, and here you can see the third option, that is the tangent. So click this outer circle, and that means you can see this arc is in tangent with this outer circle. Then I will go to create, then circular pattern. So this is my object, this arc is my object, and this, select the center point, and the number of quantities as 6. So here, then I will click OK. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circular pattern 6. Then I will click finish sketch. Then I will go to brush pull, modify brush pull. Then I will select this. Okay, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I will extrude to a distance of 6, and the operation as join. Click OK. Okay, so here you can see. So in this video, you have to create an arc using 3 points, 3-point arc. First, you have to select the first point, then second point, then 3 points. You have to select 3 points. Then after that, you have to apply a tangent constraint to that arc. Then you have to circular pattern those arc, the arc you created. You have to create circular pattern 6, quantity 6. Then you have to convert that arc into in that circular pattern. You have to convert the arcs in the circular pattern into 3-dimensional 3D geometry. Okay, so practice this. Thank you.